Right, ladies and gents, do you know what? We got some good news. The Supra's intercooler's packed up, yo. How is that good news? Because we've got a front mount intercooler. Let's show ya. Cheers! Right, so ladies and gents, this is an eBay special. That's the name of the company, and yes, this is the intercooler. Let's show ya. Oh yes, brand spanking new. 2.5-inch outlets on each side. I was going to go for the one-sided intercooler to make it easier, but what's the point of making it easier? No, I'm joking. So the build quality doesn't seem too bad, I guess. I hope it holds up. But yeah, we'll be fitting it up and testing it out. It's going to be a bit of customizing, because obviously routing it on the Mark III Supras, they come on one-sided and this is on each side. But yeah, going to be a wee little bit of a challenge. That sounds a bit cheap, that side, I don't know. But so, anyways, that's the eBay special intercooler. What's in the other box, I'm going to show you right now. So the second box of goodies, same company. This is these silicone joiners. They do feel very flimsy. Do you know what? They may, and I hope will do for the time being, because yeah, better than having a hole in the intercooler. And yes, got all your clamps here. These actually seem pretty good quality. Like, I'm pretty impressed with that, but I won't find out until obviously it's on the car, installed and everything. So yeah, this is part of the kit. Then you got your straight 2.5-inch pipes. Got a nice little lip in there so the hoses don't come off. You got your bends here, more bends. So yeah, do you know what? I do hope it's going to be enough pipe work to fit onto the car. And obviously all you ladies and gents are going to join me installing it in, so keep tuned for that. Right, so yeah, basically what the next video is going to be is me removing the front bumper and showing all you ladies and gents where the nuts and bolts and everything are to remove the front bumper to do your front mount intercooler. I've been told it's a bit mind-boggling, so yeah, I'm going to make your lot's life a lot easier and show you where all the nuts and bolts are, and then we're going to fit the front mount intercooler together. So keep tuned for that video, and yeah, let's do this together, and hopefully we'll be boosting. We'll get the front mount intercooler on, and then not just that, we'll get some driving videos and hopefully no more engine management light, and that's going to be happy days because I want to feel the power. Yeah, anyways, let's do this, right? Keep blessed, love you all.